Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In last video we learned how to create a VLAN and how to assign a port to VLAN. In this video, I will show you how to add devices to VLAN. Open the Cisco packet tracer. Open the file we saved before. In the last video we used console cable and laptop to configure the network switch. Cisco packet tracer give you option to configure switch directly. Click on network switch. Click on config. From here you can configure switch directly. You can create VLAN database, interface port, and assign VLAN. Click on CLI. Here you can see the same window we used with console cable. Press enter. Switch, EN, enter. Password, enter your password. Show VLAN. Press enter. In the last video we created VLAN 2 and VLAN 4 and we deleted VLAN 3. Now we will create VLAN 3, and we will assign ports to that VLAN. CONF tab. Configure. TER tab. Terminal. Enter. Write VLAN 3. Enter. VLAN 3 is created. Name sale. Enter. Exit. INT tab. Interface. FA tab. Fast Ethernet. 0/11. Enter. SW tab. Switch port. ACC tab. Access. VLAN 3. Enter. Press up arrow key. And select interface Fast Ethernet 0/11, backspace 2, 0/12, enter. SW tab. ACC tab. Access. VLAN 3, enter. Exit. INT tab. Interface. FA tab. Fast Ethernet 0/. Here is. Port 2 is free. 2. Enter. SW tab. Switch port. ACC tab. Access. VLAN 2. Enter. Exit. Exit. Show VLAN. Enter. Ports are assigned to VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. Close this window. Now quickly I will rearrange this network. I will add some more devices to this network. Our network is ready. VLAN 2 IP address range is 192.168.20.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. VLAN 3 IP address range is 192.168.30.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. VLAN 3 IP address range is 192.168. VLAN 4.40.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Change device name. 192.168.20.1. 192.168.20.2. 192.168.40.1. 192.168.40.2. 192.168.30.1. 192.168.30.2. Click here. Select color. Draw circle. Change color. Draw circle here. Change color. Draw circle here. Close this window. Select node. This is VLAN 2. VLAN 3. And this is VLAN 3. No, this is VLAN 4. Now we need to assign IP address to these devices. Click on this PC. Desktop. IP configuration. IP address 192.168.20.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 192.168.20.254. Now quickly I will assign IP addresses to all these devices. IP addresses are assigned. Click on this PC. Command prompt. Ping 192.168.20.2. It is pinging other IP address. Now if we ping other VLAN IP address, press up arrow key, backspace, 40.1, enter. Request timeout. You can see we used one network switch, and we virtually divided the switch into 3 VLANs which are separate from each other. The broadcast of one VLAN is not received by the other VLAN. Click on this PC. Command prompt. Ping 192.168.40.1. It is pinging other IP address. Click on this PC. Command prompt. Ping 192.168.40.2. Enter. It is pinging other IP address. If we ping VLAN 3 IP address, up arrow key, backspace, 30.2, enter. Request timeout. It will not ping other VLAN IP address. All VLANs are working fine. You can see we used one network switch, and we virtually divided the switch into 3 VLANs which are separate from each other. The broadcast of one VLAN is not received by the other VLAN. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.